Hello student, today we will do question number 8 from exercise 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without a further ado, let's get started. Question number 8. Mr. Gulati has a recurring deposit account of rupees 300 per month. If the rate of interest is 12% and the maturity value of this account is rupees 8,100, find the time in years of this recurring deposit account. So for this we will use this formula. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. This is maturity value is given 8,100 equal to P is 300 into N we have to find out plus 300 into N square plus N divided by 2 into 12. The rate is given 12%. This 12 and 12 will cut. This 0, this double 0 cut. So we'll get 8100 equal to 300 N plus 3 N square plus N divided by 2. If you divide by 3 on both sides, so we will get 2700. This will be 100 N plus N square plus N by 2. If you multiply both sides by 2, then this will be 5400 equal to 200 N plus N square plus N. This will be 5400 equal to 200 N plus N, 200 1 N plus N square. N square plus 200 1 N minus 5400 equal to 0. Now we have to find from value of N. So we can do this by two methods, by splitting middle term or by using quadratic equation formula. So if you have difficulty in splitting middle terms, so you can use the formula this x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. By this formula we can find if you have difficulty in splitting the middle term. So we will here split middle term. N square minus 24 N plus 225 N minus 5400 equal to 0. N minus 24 plus 225 N minus 24 equal to 0. n minus 24 n plus 225 equal to 0. So n equal to 24 and minus 225. Time cannot be negative, so this is rejected. So this value will take, and this will be 24 months, so this will be 2 years. Answer will be 2 years. I hope you must have understood this solution. Today up to here, we will meet in the next question. Till then, take care. Thank you.